Hello everyone and welcome in today's video. And today we are going to talk about school materials. School materials. Ebikozesebwa kusomero. Ebikozesebwa kusomero. But if you're new to this channel, special welcome to you. So let's start. Book. Book. Ekitabo. Ekitabo. Plural. Books are ebitabo. Books, ebitabo. For further reference about plurals and singular, refer to previous video. So let's continue. The book is old. The book is old. Ekitabo kyo kikadde. Ekitabo kyo kikadde. Pencil. Pencil. Ekkalaamu enkalu. Ekkalaamu enkalu. The pencil is broken. The pencil is broken. Ekkalaamu enkalu emenyese. Ekkalaamu enkalu emenyese. Pen. Pen. Ekkalaamu ya bwino. Ekkalaamu ya bwino. Teacher. Teacher. Omusomesa. Omusomesa. Please note, plural teachers are abasomesa. Teachers, abasomesa. For further reference, singular and plural refer to this lesson. So let's proceed. Student. Student. Omuyizi. Omuyizi. Students. Abayizi. Students. Abayizi. Blackboard. Blackboard. Olubaawo. Olubaawo. Let's take an example. The blackboard is black. The blackboard is black. Olubaawo luddugavu. Olubaawo luddugavu. Bell. Bell. Ekide. Ekide. The bell is ringing. The bell is ringing. Ekide kiri mu kuvuga. Ekide kiri mu kuvuga. Classroom. Classroom. Ekibiina. Ekibiina. The classroom is clean. The classroom is clean. Ekibiina kitukula. Ekibiina kitukula. Duster. Duster. Ekiwero. Ekiwero. Duster is ekiwero. Ruler, 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 ruler. Ruler in Luganda is ruler. Hope you can note the difference. Let's take an example. The ruler is short. The ruler is short. Ruler nyimpi. Ruler nyimpi. Please note, short is nyimpi. Short nyimpi. So the ruler is short is ruler nyimpi. Ruler nyimpi. Okay. School bag. School bag. Ensawo y'okusomero. Ensawo y'okusomero. School bag is ensawo y'okusomero. If you like the videos, do give it a thumbs up icon. Meet up. Mweraba.